keep winning. Gotta go on this thing. This thing's more fun.
Flinger.
Huh?
You flinger.
Oh, who wants to come on this with me?
I'll go with her. Good hiding spot. Okay, wait. Don't go yet.
Okay.
Why did you come here with me?
Okay, do you want me to go this time? No?
I'm gonna come with you.
Okay, I don't like this idea.
Hold on.
Okay, I'm standing behind her. Okay, never mind.
Hold on. Two hands. Hold on tight. Both hands.
Here we go, girl.